Imagine standing in a crowded train station in Japan. Thousands of people are waiting for the train. Yet there's no pushing, no shouting, and no chaos. Everyone quietly stands in line, almost as if they all instinctively know what to do. So what's the secret? Are Japanese people simply born more disciplined? Not at all. The answer lies in a system that begins shaping children from a very young age, through school, family, and everyday life. Today, we're exploring how Japan teaches discipline to its children, and why the rest of the world is fascinated by it. Now imagine what our schools, workplaces, and communities would look like if children grew up learning responsibility, respect, and self-control from the very beginning. Japan's reputation for discipline isn't the result of strict laws or harsh punishment. Instead, it's built on small daily habits that children practice year after year. These habits become part of who they are, creating a culture where people naturally think about how their actions affect everyone around them. One of the biggest surprises for many visitors is that students in many Japanese schools help clean their own classrooms, hallways, and common areas every day. Schools still have maintenance staff for repairs and specialized work, but students take part in the daily cleaning routine. This practice isn't about saving money, it's about teaching responsibility. Children learn to take care of their own environment, work as a team, and appreciate the effort that goes into keeping shared spaces clean. When you've cleaned your own classroom, you're much less likely to leave trash behind. The lesson is simple. This is our space, so it's our responsibility. Japanese schools also dedicate time to a subject called Dotoku, or moral education. Instead of focusing on math or science, these lessons teach students values like honesty, kindness, respect, empathy, patience, and self-control. Students discuss real-life situations, reflect on their choices, and learn how to cooperate with others. The goal isn't just to create smart students. It's to develop responsible, respectful citizens. Character development is treated as an important part of education, not an afterthought. Another important part of Japanese education is learning through group responsibility. In many schools, students work together in small groups to organize classroom activities, serve lunch, and complete daily responsibilities. This teaches an important lesson. Your actions don't just affect you, they affect everyone around you. Children quickly learn that teamwork, reliability, and consideration help the entire group succeed. Many experts believe this mindset contributes to the orderly public behavior Japan is known for, from organized train lines to clean public spaces. The final piece of the puzzle begins at home. In Japan, many parents believe children learn best by watching what adults do. If parents want respectful children, they model respectful behavior. If they want punctual children, they arrive on time. If they expect kindness, they show kindness first. Psychologists have long recognized that children learn through observation. In other words, children often imitate what they see far more than what they're told. So what makes Japan's approach to discipline so effective? First, students help clean their schools, building responsibility. Second, moral education teaches respect, empathy, and self-control. Third, group activities help children understand teamwork and accountability. And finally, parents reinforce these values by setting a positive example at home. None of these ideas are complicated. They're simply small habits practiced consistently over many years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.